Hi, kiddos. Here we are, day 4. Our big idea, our big question this week is, where do animals get food in the winter? Yesterday's lesson, we learned about animals that are dormant and animals that are hibernating. If you remember, dormant means that they sleep, but they wake up to eat. Whereas hibernating is a deep, deep sleep, which involves their body temperature dropping and their heart rate slowing down, and they can go for an extended period of time without eating. Bears are normally what we associate with hibernating, and they do a form of hibernation, but their body temperature doesn't drop as low. So today we're going to talk about animals that migrate. Some animals deal with winter by migrating, or they move to warmer places where their food is plentiful. So ducks and geese, for example, fly hundreds or even thousands of miles south from their summer feeding grounds. And it's getting about that time where we notice the big flocks of ducks and geese that are heading south for the winter as it's starting to get cooler outside. They can fly hundreds, thousands of miles, really far. During the winter in the Arctic, a type of reindeer called caribou will travel hundreds of miles to find food. Even insects migrate to find better climates. For example, monarch butterflies fly all the way from Canada and the northern United States to spend winter in Mexico. And actually, monarch butterflies migrate through Kentucky. So you can see them in big flocks. There's a place that you can go to, and I want to say that it is in Tennessee, where all of these monarch butterflies congregate, and you can go there. It's really cool looking. I've seen videos and pictures of it. I'd love to do that sometime. Anywho, here we have a picture, and we have a caption: snow geese make a round trip of more than 5,000 miles flying at speeds of 50 miles per hour or more. That's very impressive. On part A, you had to click and drag the check marks to the box for the statements that helps explain why some animals migrate to warmer climates in the winter. You should have a check mark beside the first one. Plants are still growing and producing food in warmer places. And you should have checked the second one. Animals are not hibernating and so are easier to find and eat for those that eat that are carnivores or even omnivores. And then you should have put a check mark on the third one. Water is available to drink because lakes and ponds are not frozen. So you should have put a check mark on the first 3. On the part down here on part B, gray wolves prey on caribou. What do you think gray wolves do when the caribou herds migrate? Well, when the caribou migrate, those gray wolves are going to migrate too. They're going to follow their food source no matter where it goes. So just know that tomorrow on day 5, you will have your quiz. Make sure you take the time to go back and look at all 4 bell ringers. Just read the paragraphs, glance back over them, because there are a lot of you that are doing really well on your quizzes, and there are some of you that are not. If you will take the time to watch these videos and review your work, you will make good grades. So please take the time to do that. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.